Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we have come to Al showroom, and we will be reviewing Lexus LS430. Let me go closer to it. This is, if we go from the side version, you can see the car. The car is 2005 model, and it's costing around 19,000 dirham as per the starting bid. The car will be auctioned in Al. So if we see the car from here, there is no accident. Let us go to the back of the car. Let us go to the back of the car, and we have come back to the car, and see, the bumper is all right. It's all right. Okay, the car is almost clean from both the sides of the back. So I'm taking the shot of the car like from every version, every angle. It seems 19,000 is okay for this car, and since it's clean car from outside, hardly there is any touch. It doesn't looks like, it doesn't seems to be, but very little or very minor kind of an accident would be there. Let's check the car from inside. There is a sunshade, and because of the sunshade we cannot see the speed of the car, but if I see from myself, it's like around 260 kilometers per hour. The dashboard is clean, and the systems, all other things also seems to be okay. Little leather needs to be changed for the hand weight, where we can put the hand. That needs to be little changed. The car has the open roof, sunroof also. Let's see the car from the back. Thank you. That's all for this car.